Hello, everybody. Good morning. Okay, so this is a continuation episode on how do you screen for trading ideas in the US market, straight for Traders Club member with the ESP master. Okay, so for Wall Street, right, you have got two exchanges to select from, NASDAQ or NYSE. So make sure you do both so that you do not miss any great opportunity. Now let's come to the strategy selection. Okay, last week we talked about the top 50, right? So this week we want to talk about swing master. I was reminded to this strategy by one of our members, I think Johnson, who asked last night during the Traders Club meeting about, hey, swing master, long time never used. Do we still use swing master? Of course, we do use swing master. Now, remember, swing master is trying to find a stock that is turning up after a big sell-off or a big, huge decline, and then it is bouncing off some meaningful support with meaningful bullish candlestick patterns, okay, with high volume. So that is in essence what this strategy is trying to do. Now, there are 7 over 1,000 stocks listed in the Wall Street. How are you going to pick them up? Okay, so this is how you do. After you select the strategy, always click the wrong one. After you select the strategy, swing master. Now, you still have others lah. So every week, I'll do a video on the respective strategy to show you. But generally, every day you want to do screening, you do V3, you do, okay, swing master only done on a Monday. Okay, you don't need to do this every day because we are looking at the weekly swing chart. Okay, so Trend Master V3, your daily go-to strategy. And then you have got your top 50. This one, I think you do once a week or once a month, once a fortnight. You have a good list of stocks. Okay, you don't need to go and hunt every day. So that list of stock doesn't change a lot because the price momentum is supposed to be strong. All right, swing master weekly. Then the rest I will tell you when the time comes. Okay, so for after you select the strategy, select the exchange, put to last trading day. And you will notice that the date is 15th of September because it is last Friday. We are looking at the weekly candle close, which is on the Friday. All right, so if you go through the list of stock, make sure you stop by P percentage, guys. See something new that we didn't have years ago. So now we have this. It will be able to put those stocks that has got the highest price momentum right at the top of the list so that we can focus on the strong momentum stock first. Okay, so I usually will just hide the rest of the stock. I just want to sort it. I want to make sure the 90s are on top. And then I'll go down the list and look for companies. Now, what do we look for? Let's go step by step. Let's go and take a look at the first stock that comes on the list. When I take a look at the stock, okay, firstly, it must be consolidation. It must show you BIC. So if it doesn't show you and you see this, it's not everything green. Now, everything green, okay, I put the revenue earnings per share. If you see everything green, then, sorry, let me adjust the, everything green, it means that the company is enjoying revenue, sales revenue growth, earnings per share growth. If you do not see everything green, I choose to ignore the stock. Okay, I'll go to the next one. Or until I see, don't have, then you just go to the next one. So it makes it very fast and quick to go through the list very quickly. You see, this is the one. Okay, medical devices is the industry. Now we will talk about industry in our next video. Okay, because I'm trying to show you how do you pick industry in play. That will go to another video. I want to keep the video short. So this is the kind of company that we want. Okay, because if you scroll down, right, you will be able to see the earnings is growing. So very beautiful uptrend. Okay, in terms of earning, right? So this is a shortcut for you. And then once you go to the stock, you zoom out, you notice that, hey, this stock is at an all-time high, near the all-time high. And then you zoom out, you look out for BIC. Now, what do you see here? Shooting star, right, is a weakness. So probably this stock in terms of earnings qualify, but in terms of price, you may need to wait for a lower price at this support. Now, if you don't know how to draw support, again, click on this. It will draw the supports for you. Okay, 275 thereabouts. So this one maybe not the time now. And then you can go down the list. Now, I have done the homework lah. So the first one that come on the list that is good is this Usfd Food Holdings. Okay, now once you go into the US Food Holdings, you can see this chart, right? Okay, this is the candle weekly chart. This is the candle that triggered our swing master strategy. Okay, see, it comes down. I like this type, being sold down, and yet it's a good company with earnings. Okay, then we go to the daily chart, and then we look for our buy opportunity. Now you have learned downtrend, reverse uptrend, what to look for. So you apply the same methodology onto this stock, and then you find your entry price. That is how it is done. Very quickly, easily, and safely. Okay, then you can go down the list. I found one more in waste management. Okay, and if you go down to the daily chart, weekly chart, you will see that it is again a high volume reversal on a meaningful support, which is the 100-day moving average. Okay, and it's a good company. So use the daily chart. Now, use the weekly chart to find reversal. Go to the daily chart to find the entry, the precise entry. Okay, I will be with you in the Traders Club. So if you go through the list of stock and you find anything that is good and you're not sure, feel free to engage me. More pairs of eyes looking at the 7,000 stock is easier for us to find winners. 团结就是力量. Remember, okay? So that's all for this video. I will see you in the next video. If you find this video useful, share and send it to your friends. Okay, thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.